Hello students, today we are going to start the exercise of this chapter, air and water pollution. So as you know, this is the last chapter of your curriculum. You'll be doing the exercise related to this chapter. We have discussed about air pollution, greenhouse effect, and we have discussed about water pollution. Now we'll be discussing about the exercise of this chapter. Okay, the first one is A, that is read the following questions carefully and tick the right option. वही 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे, उसमें से एक सही है, आपको टिक मार्क करना है. So the first question is, which of the following does not cause air pollution? A, fog, B, sewage, C, CFC, and D, carbon dioxide. The correct option is B, sewage, because it causes water pollution, not air pollution. Second, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? A, methane, B, carbon dioxide, D, water vapor, and D, sulfur dioxide. So the correct answer is D, sulfur dioxide. Okay, third one. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. are known as A, water pollutant, B, soil pollutants, A, air pollutants, and D, all of these. So these are called C, air pollutants. The pollutants, the substance which causes air pollution are called air pollutants. Fourth one, fall of acids on earth along with the rainwater is called A, acid rain, B, greenhouse effect, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is A, acid rain. Now the fifth one is, to control water pollution we should A, use biological fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture fields, B, recycle the industrial waste, C, proper toilet facilities should be provided to rural areas, or D, all the above. So the correct answer is D, all the above. Okay. Now the sixth one is, the water that is fit for drinking is called A, pure water, B, potable water, C, both A and B, and D, none of this. Now the water which is fit for drinking is called potable water. Okay. Now this last one, that is 7. One Mahotsav is held during the month of A, May, B, June, C, July, and D, August. So the correct answer is C, July. You know, bachas, this One Mahotsav is a event or a which is organized for 1 week from 1st July to 7th July, and it was started by K.M. Munshi. Okay. Now we will be doing this B question. Okay. This B question comprises of fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Okay. So we will be doing this B question. So what does you have to do? You have to do this. There is a statement. उस statement में blank है. उस blank को आपको fill करना है. So let's start with this B question. The first one is, the air around us is a dash of many gases, is a mixture of many gases. Now the second one, Earth's temperature is increasing due to greenhouse effect. Okay. Now third one, exhaust gases from vehicles contain air pollutants. Okay. Fourth one, the major greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. ये सबसे ज़्यादा हीट ट्रैप नहीं करता, बट सबसे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में एटमॉस्फेयर में है, इस वजह से. The fifth one is, water gets polluted by dash activities, by ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़. या बोल्डली लिखिए ना, बिकॉज आपको पता चले कि हमारी ही एक्टिविटीज़ है जिनकी वजह से हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को हम डैमेज कर रहे हैं. नाउ द सिक्स्थ वन इज वाटर सुटेबल फॉर ड्रिंकिंग इज कॉल्ड पोर्टेबल वाटर. Seventh one, purification of water to remove suspended impurity is done by alum, or you can say addition of alum. Alum in Hindi is fitkari, okay? So this is the B question, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Now we will be doing the C question, that is match the column A with this column B. Okay? So we will be doing matching the column A and B. Let me wrap this and then I will be writing these columns. Both columns will be written on the board and we will be matching it. Okay, so let me write down C column A and column B. Okay, so let's do this. First one is depletion of ozone layer. Second one is, the second one comprises of acid rain. Third is greenhouse effect. The fourth one is incomplete combustion of petrol. The fifth one is water pollution. And the sixth one is a greenhouse gas. House gas. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So the options are carbon monoxide, sewage, and the next one is chlorofluorocarbon, chlorofluorocarbons. The next one is burning of fossil fuel, burning of fossil fuels. And the next one is carbon dioxide, and the last one is, I think it is methane. Okay, so this completes our column A and B. Now we will be matching this column A with this column B. Now students, the depletion of ozone layer is caused by chlorofluorocarbon. So we will be matching this from this. Okay. Now second is acid rain. Now acid rains is caused by burning of fossil fuels. Okay. Now what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is an effect in which these gases, this carbon dioxide and also methane has this property. So basically we can say this greenhouse effect is mostly caused by this carbon dioxide. Okay. Now what is another one? Incomplete combustion of petrol. So incomplete of combustion is causes or produces carbon monoxide. Next one is water pollution is sewage. So it is very clear. And the last one is a greenhouse gas. So the greenhouse gas is your methane. Okay, these answers can be interchanged, but basic or the most prominent cause of greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide. That's why a greenhouse gas will be a methane. Okay, so this completes your Match the column A with this column B. Now we'll be doing this D question, that is defining the following terms that are given. Okay, the terms will be there. आपको उसके answers अपनी notebook में लिखने हैं. Okay, simply statements होंगी. I will be giving you hints जिससे आप अपने answers complete कर सकते हैं, and you'll be writing that answers in your notebooks. Okay, students, because I think you are all big enough to do your own question and answers things. Okay, so let's start with this. So first is pollution. What is pollution? The contamination of physical environment, which means gets to dirty or natural resources like water, air and soil is called pollution. What is global warming? The increase in the temperature of your earth's surface. Okay, it is called global warming. Next is pollutant, the substance which added to the substance that causes harmful or that causes this pollution is called pollutants. Fourth, greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? The effect by which the temperature of the earth or the area where the heat start getting trapped is called greenhouse effect. The trapping of heat is only greenhouse effect, but the increase in temperature is global warming. Okay. Fifth is acid rain. You can write that this the sulfur dioxide and this nitrogen oxides, when they come into the contact of moisture, they turn into acids, that is sulfuric acid and nitric acids, and when they come in contact with this water or this clouds, they form this acid. Water comes down in the form of rain. It's called acid rain. Okay, potable water. The water that is fit for drinking is called potable water. Now the E question is, answer the following questions. The first question is, explain the differences between pure air and polluted air. So you will I've given you this activity, first activity of this chapter, that is 18.1 activity. So you will be writing that activity. The report you have made from that activity will be the differences between pure air and polluted air. Second question, name any 3 pollutants. So it can be air pollutant, it can be water pollutant, anything. Sewage, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay. Third one, state 3 ways in which air is polluted. So कोई भी 3 ways आपको लिखने हैं, like emissions from industries, or you can write this deforestation, and the last one is agriculture. Okay, waste from agriculture, or you can write this waste from this vehicles. Okay, burning of fossil fuels. And how water is polluted? Bathing, human activities like bathing and washing of clothes, agriculture practices, and defecations by humans and animals in or near the water sources. Now describe the harmful effect of the following. We'll be describing what are the harmful effect of air pollution is. That is, first one is air pollution. That is आपकी diseases you will be describing about the starch effect. Okay, that is acid rain is causing, increase in temperature is caused due to air pollution. So you all will be writing about this harmful effects. B, greenhouse effect. The harmful effect of greenhouse effect is global warming. So you will be defining that. You will be explaining that. Water pollution. What are the harmful effect of water pollution is there? Water that is made available for us drinking purpose is not suitable for any use by us now, because it has so much impurities and aquatic life are dying out because of this harmful effect of water pollution. Acid rain, you will be defining about this Taj effect. Okay, how this acid rain causes corrosion of the marble monuments. C is depletion of ozone layer. So you will be writing that if the ozone layer is not there, if the ozone layer is depleting, the UV rays may enter our Earth's surface and it is causing skin cancer, the germs are killing, and many life is getting distorted. And many other types of genetic mutations are also occurring. Now the next one, that is the fifth one, is describe the greenhouse effect. So you will be describing the greenhouse effect in general. That is how this greenhouse word came from this glass house, how this car example you will be giving, then the earth example that I have drawn the diagram all. So you will be explaining that diagram. Now the sixth one is write in brief about this global warming. So you will be writing what are the causes of global warming is there, what are the preventive measures you can there, and what are the consequences of global warming you can are there. Every option has this two, three sentences are there, so you'll be writing that answer. Now the seventh one is write three characteristics of drinking water. कोई भी तीन characteristics लिख दीजिए. This is odorless, it is colorless, it do not have any germs in it, it do not have any suspended impurities in it. It should have some dissolved gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So you'll be writing about this. Next one is, that is the eighth question, how is water purified? So you'll be writing about this purification methods, that is aquaguards, about this candle filters, about this alum and all. Okay, write the different methods. So all you will be writing the three different methods. The next question is, that is the ninth question, why should we conserve water? Okay, it has 5 points why we should conserve water, so you will be writing about that 5 points. Now students, we will be discussing HOTS. What is HOTS? High order thinking skill question. That is, 2 questions are given. Why does the smoke released from the factory contribute to global warming? Because this smoke which is emitted from the industries may have carbon dioxide, methane, this type of gases can be there. So this gases causes the effect of greenhouse effect because they trap the heat energy and it ultimately leads to the increase in temperature, which is global warming. Now the second question, we are dependent on fossil fuels so much that life seems difficult without them. What will happen if they all will deplete one day? And but it is a very much true that it will deplete one day. So हम हमारी life imagine भी नहीं कर सकते. इसी वजह से बच्चा there have been researches going on for the sources to find alternative sources of energy. Okay. Now the next one is project work. Okay, so the next one is the project work. Now what is project works? You have to collect the latest news about this ozone layer depletion and write a report on it. Try to collect some images also. Okay. The next one is, it's an interesting one, you will be enjoying it. Now try to visit this Taj Mahal in Agra. It is based in UP. Okay, and observe carefully its yellowing of its outer layer and find out what is restricted in Taj zone to prevent it from air pollution. Okay, so you'll be finding out what are the reasons, that is what are the Supreme Court has implemented and what are the people are doing to prevent this yellowing of Taj Mahal. Now we'll be doing activity. Okay, now this activity comprises, you have to make a list of disease which occur by air and water pollution and write the symptoms and preventive measures also. Now students, there is a person, that is John Tyndall. You know, he was a very great mathematician and a physicist. You know, he was a person who was who discovered this greenhouse effect on the earth in 1859. So this John Tyndall discovered the effect of greenhouse effect. Now what is the difference between discovery and invention? Discovery means it was present in our atmosphere or in our earth or in a natural thing, just a person has discovered and explained about it. What is invented? If a new thing is discovered, invented, like your phone, it was not earlier but it was invented by the scientists. So in 1859 he suggested that he discovered the greenhouse effect. That is, there are some gases which are responsible for absorbing heat and getting it trapped so that the natural temperature of the earth can be maintained. So this is about this chapter, air and water pollution.